Questionnaires allow you to create your own questionnaires in Dynamics NAV. These provide a nice interface that users or people outside of Dynamics NAV can input information in. In this example, we'll go from an incident list and we'll press the Questionnaire Template button. The questionnaire website could be branded, but in this case you can see that we can start to go through and answer the questions. Depending on the answers given, different questions may be asked of us. We can use the navigation to toggle between pages, and we can accept multiple inputs, for example text or options from a list and so on. Notice that if we say we aren't satisfied, we're asked why not. If we go back and change it to yes, we're not then asked why we aren't satisfied. When we reach the end, we're asked to check the summary and confirm. The questionnaire is then closed and we can't just go back. Going back to NAV, we can look at the questionnaire template record. This is a generic tool that we can use to create a questionnaire against anything, so it's really flexible. You can see how the questions are defined per line, and we can specify if they fall on a new page, etc. If we go into Advanced View, we can specify if we want to skip a question depending on the answer given, like we saw before. If you want to find out more, all of our contact details can be found on our website, www.thenavpeople.com.